Posibleng may mga Pilipinong natrap sa nasunog na residential building sa Tai Po District sa Hong Kong. Sa The Daily Dish ng Billionaire News Channel, sinabi ni DFA spokesperson Angelica Escalona na batay ito sa natanggap na unverified information ng Philippine Consulate General. Wala pang datos kung may Pilipinong nasawi o nasaktan sa trahedya, pero nakikipag-ugnayan na raw sila sa mga lokal na otoridad. Hindi bababa sa 44 na individual ang kumpirmadong nasawi sa sunog na umabot sa level 5.
According to news reports na put out na po, but there are still rescue efforts ongoing. And according naman to the Philippine Consulate General in Hong Kong, as of this time, wala pa po silang confirmed reports na may Pilipinong nasaktan o nasawi sa sunog na ito. However, the consulate received unverified information na posibleng may mga Pilipinong natrap pa sa mga building. So, agad-agad nilang pinasa ang impormasyon sa mga Hong Kong authorities para ma-check.
Marami pa po ang missing. Do you have the latest on the casualty count, Ambassador?
Well, according to reports, 44 ang namatay and more than 200 are missing. But they have not given the names or details yet of those victims.
Well, in Hong Kong, correct me if I'm wrong, Ambassador, but there are more than 220,000 Filipinos.
You are correct. There are 230,000 Filipinos in Hong Kong, and more than 205,000 are domestic workers. Now, in this complex, residential complex, apparently there are many elderly people. That is why we think na meron pa tayong possibly mga kababayan doon.